Hey YouTube, today we are doing this. We are making a YouTube video and we're going to see, first of all, we're going to see if we have any gifts. And right now I'm on the USA account, so let's go UK. My account is on the UK, guys. Comment down below if you want me to make a USA account. Okay, guys? So let's just quickly log on and type in my password. Okay, so we're loading. We're about to check if we have any gifts. Res, no res. We don't know. Let's go check. Let's go here, alright. Profile. Well, let's load. Okay, I'm online now, so we can do this, can't we? Oh, that is making sense. Recording. Say hi. Okay. So, let's see if we have any gifts. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, we do have a gift. Let's open this. Oh my god, I have loads of these and I'm actually starting to make a collection. So thank you very much for this. I was the one which gave her that hair because this was actually a trade. So yeah, thank you for this. I've actually got a lot of these, which is great because I actually need to get more, which is very impressive. So I know I need a lot more. So guys, if you send them, that would be great. Yeah, let's do this. So today, what I'm going to do is trade, first of all. Oh, this girl is so nice. We need to ask her something real quick, guys. Yeah, there we go. Let me just say hi. I have a question. Like, she didn't ask Miss Gold giveaway and I answered, and I don't know if I won or not. Did I win the Gold giveaway? Oh, and guys, what we're also going to do today, you know I was saying that girl was really rude, yeah? Her name was, let's see, XX Mystic Reens XX. Gonna log out, go on my other account. What we're gonna do is trade with her, and I'm not gonna troll her. I'm just gonna like ask to trade with her and get back my hair, you guys. We need to get it back. Alright? So first of all, I forgot to do something on this account. Send my other account a rare. Send my account a rare. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna send my account a rare and then yeah, see if she wants it. It's my bait. I guess you could call it my bait. Cause I'm really, oh my goodness. Really? But yeah, tomorrow we are doing a giveaway. No, not giveaway, what was I going to say? My mum and me doing mail time on her account, so yeah. So, when I got worried if someone went on my account and changed the password. Because a few hours ago I watched a video and this girl got hacked and all her things were gone. Once I found out her name, I want you guys to gift her. So yeah, we'll do that tomorrow. What was I going to say? Yeah, let's gift my other account. If you're wondering, my other account, if you've been at my videos quite a bit, I think you guys know the name. The name is, oh, what am I doing right now? The name is Mason. This is her, right? Let's click on her real quick and gift her. Loading. Let's give her a prayer, and then I'm gonna say if I can have back my hair. Because guys, I'm annoyed. I'm really annoyed. think this is a rare. I think so. Give the gift. Okay, now I'm going to log on her account. Okay, guys. Loading. Okay, let's log on. I just want to say, please don't hack to anyone, because that's just rude, really. Doesn't make the other person feel good, does it? And my mum is really sad because I got scammed and hacked on my account. Oh, sorry, that's annoying my dog. Search for... Oh, why am I logging on this account again? Forget everything. Have a team. Yeah, she looks nice. I'm sorry guys, this video isn't going so well. Oh, look at this. Black's right in my user. I remember when I was a really slow fighter. Sorry, 1 minute. Monty! Don't do that. Okay. Yay, we got one. Okay, let's go on here. That sounds weird. Gifts. Find me. There will be one shot. Watch and learn. What? Oh yeah, there it is. Sorry. Right, here it is. Really excited. Wavy Beauty. I think it's a rare, guys. I think it is. Yeah. Let's take off her hair now. Right. I think I like that hair, but I'm going to get a different hair, which is going to be this one. My normal hair I usually wear. Okay. Let's go out of here now. Right. We need to get serious here. I think she's not online right now. So what I'm going to do is send her the message now, guys. Her name is non-capital. Name is Mystic Rings. Small X, big X. That. Oh my goodness, she's not here. What I'm going to do is search for her. I bet she blocked me on that account as well. We'll get her someday. Mystic Rings. Let's go. Oh my god. It is on here. I know it is. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Ring. What? Oh, that's in caps. Ring. Small X capital. Look, she stole it. Hate her. Look. She is, might do another mail time. Yeah. Of course she will. Trade for my hair. Trade for my hair. I mean your hair. What? I mean your hair. This is so funny. I actually accidentally said shape of my hair. I have a rat. Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, let's do this. Shade system or what? Shade system? Okay, I take that video. Let's go and get it out of my hair, you guys. Trade system. I want that my hair, guys. I want that. Oh, my skin after shade. You, oh my gosh, you answer. Will you answer? Answer me. Oh, next, so everyone can see your ignoring me. She didn't block me. Hello? You gonna answer me? Yeah, you're gonna block me straight afterwards, aren't you, for the main time? Don't be her friend. She's mean and annoying. Oh yeah, this was the Miss Goldie. We wanted it. Right, I'm gonna show them. She is an idiot. Yeah, I will. I'm sad I didn't get on camera that she did it. Giving Miss DLA project up a trip pack. It's her first or no deal. So this is bad. Even check my guest book is spam with scam free. Sorry about the spam. She scammed me. Don't trust her. You will be giving it away, and then she blocks you. Speak. I'm not live then. It's not cool. Oh yeah, it's got now. I can't see. That's why I'm used to changing in the vase. Yeah, I bet it's closed because you didn't want to do it. Guys, oh my god, I'm recording. They can see your me. They can see your. You know what? We'll do this a different day. Now I'm gonna try hacker. No, I'm joking. Oh, I love it. I'm joking. So I'm on level 11, guys. I think that's the end of the video. we will do a part 2, guys. Thank you. Bye.